Hey everybody, and welcome to Hodl and Shill. In today's video we're talking about all things RNS.ID, and this is week 5 of our update. So right now we are in the back end, and you can see here that we are still in the printing phase. So nothing has changed over the last 2 weeks. They did say, however, in the Discord that the printing phase could take around 15 to 20 days. So we're right around that mark and just waiting for this to finish up, and then we'll move to shipping. Once it's in shipping, then we'll get a tracking number emailed, and the welcome packet and the ID will be on its way here. So it's really just a no change update. We're just waiting on this printing to finish up, and that could be any day. But if you haven't heard of RNS.ID, I have a bunch of videos that I will link to in this video, and that is basically a digital residency to the country of Palau. So definitely check it out. I'll leave a bunch of links below as well. But that's it for this update, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.